Hi guys, let's take a look at our learning papers for term 4, year 2. There you can see the learning papers, year 2, term 4. Let's look at our first module, which are all about safety. Now guys, listen, safety means a lot of stuff, right? We can look at the first thing here, it's an unsafe act. What is an unsafe act, guys? An unsafe act is something that you do personally wrong. Like you are playing in the workshop, or you are running around, that's an unsafe act. Looking at the unsafe condition, that's something you do wrong. No, that's something that's wrong in the workshop or in the center. What can that be? That's like bad ventilation. Maybe the lighting is not up to standards. That's what's happening. Then we take a look at, guys, this is a very important one. What is an accident? Please don't give me a definition like it's when two cars bump into each other or stuff like that. There's a definition, and you know the 4 words, you will immediately recognize them. It's unplanned, uncontrolled, unsafe act, and unsafe condition. And you know that is very important. That is the definition, main words that you need to use. Then we go to our module 2. Module 2 is the welding joints. Guys, the first one we look at is the T-joint, and there you can see the picture welded on both sides. Our second one is the lap joint. There's the picture, only welded on top. And the third one is our butt joint, and there's the picture. Now guys, that's not all. You know there are 5 main welding joints: T-joint, lap joint, butt joint, corner joint, and edge joint. I've only used the 3 for an example, so you need to learn all 5 of them. Going on to our module 3, hand and power tools. Guys, hand tools. Hand tools are stuff like hammers, hacksaw, files, etc. guys. Everything you can put your hand on to work in this workshop or the center, that's all hand tools. The power tools, the hand drill, a grinder, etc. Guys, the power tools, every tool that you use in the center that needs to work with electricity counts under power tools. Then we go to our 4th module, cost calculation. This is a very important module, because you can't go and make a project without calculating the cost of the project. How much a project costs, how much you're going to sell it for, and the most important thing, how much profit you can make out of it. Because if you can't make profit out of a project, it's not worth building it. So let's take a look, guys. Calculation costs. What is the calculation cost? The calculation cost is the cost plus 1.5% labor, which gives you the selling price of your project. Now cost means all the material you use. Let's say, for instance, like you built in the workshop a safety gate. You need to calculate how much the square tubing frame will cost you, how much the round bars that you put in cost you, the hinges. Remember, you use 2 hinges, 1 lock. And guys, you can't stop there, because to build it, you need to have a grinder with cutting disc and grinding discs to cut it, to do the off finishing of the project. You also need to paint it. You need to work out the cost of the paint, and then also the welding rods that you used, plus the electricity. So there's a lot of stuff that you need to know about cost. Then how do we calculate the profit? There you can read, guys. You use your selling price minus your cost price, and that gives you a profit. Now You can look there and you can see we worked on 1.5% labor. But currently, most of the Red Seal guys work with 2.5%. But like the curriculum say, we're using 1.5%. Then we go to our next module, module 5. So welding process and equipment. Guys, there's a lot of stuff there. And during the exam, when you read the exam papers, make sure you read the correct questions. In other words, that you understand what they are talking about. Right, there are different parts of a welding machine. We did this in the class, as you can see there, the carry handle. Remember the words that I explained to you. Carry handle, on off switch, power cable, positive terminal, negative terminal, the earth clamp and the welding clamp. Guys, that's a lot of work to be done.